Want to know how to unlock hero swords quickly in Game of Thrones KingsRoad? So hero swords are essential for unlocking and upgrading your heroes in KingsRoad mobile. So in this video, I'm going to give you or explain you a simple steps on how you can do it so you can get it quickly and easily. The fastest way to get them is simply by completing story missions and events that reward swords for specific heroes. Super simple. Just simply progress through the main storyline and make sure you participate in events and you should be good to go. Make sure you check daily quests and special banners as well, because they often give swords for rare or limited time heroes. Save duplicate swords to upgrade your main hero's star level. Don't waste them on units you don't plan to use. So by focusing on the right resources and right tracking which heroes need swords, you can unlock and strengthen your roster faster without spending gems. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.